Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew or extend your SIN, also known as your social insurance number online in Canada. So this is helpful if your SIN starts with the number 9 and your work permit, study permit, or temporary status has been extended. You need to update your SIN so that you can keep working legally in Canada and avoid any issues with your employer. So to renew your SIN online, go to the official Government of Canada website and search for Renew SIN. Make sure you are on the Service Canada page. Click on the option to apply online. You will need a valid immigration document that shows your new expiry date, like your updated work permit or study permit. You also need a valid address in Canada. So fill out the online form carefully, upload clear photos or scans of your documents, and review everything before you submit. After you apply, you'll receive confirmation and Service Canada will process your request. If everything is correct, you will receive your updated SIN record with the new expiry date. That's it. It's very simple and can be done fully online. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next one.